Morning and afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Biology here with Mr. Adamucci. We're first going to talk about the scientific method so you know what to do today. And in every science class, you always have a scientific method that you'll have to learn because it's our way of finding out things in the world. And we first started out with hypothesis. This is a word you have to know. Every time I do one of these, I'll give you some key definitions. So follow along with me as I'm going through this and you're writing along with it. Hypothesis always starts with the word if. And first we put up our event of what is going to happen. So we might say, if a bulldog growls, comma. Here we have set up with our if what the situation is. Then we always put an if and then statement. Then the bulldog will bite within 1 minute. That is my prediction of what will happen. So hypothesis usually always start with an if slash then statement. And in the if statement, we'll say what's going on. And in the then statement, we will then come up with our prediction. One thing about a hypothesis is that it's always testable. Okay, we can always test it. So when you're doing your activity today and you are looking at developing a hypothesis, you always want to do it with an if and then statement, okay, as you're coming through and making your hypotheses.